Stress concentration factor K. Normally, stress is normal stress. For example, the formula sigma, normal stress, is defined by the force divided by the area. Um, in that formula, it doesn't consider the fact of, as you can see here, with if you have some kind of sharp edge or some, even with some radius, it can affect the stress can concentrate on that. For example, if you have a welded piece like this, and then you may think that same material, but here the stress on this corner will concentrate more than any of the area here. As you can see, it will fail here much quicker. If this corner is very sharp, then the stress can multiply all the way up to 3 times, as you can see, the K factor. So the way the K factor is incorporated in stress is, instead of sigma equals straight P by A, you have something that K factor multiplied by with that stress. So for example, if the R by D, if this radius is too small, the ratio becomes, for example, for a semicircular section 0.1, then the stress will be multiplied almost 2.4, almost 2.25. So if you calculate some stress without considering that, if you get sigma equals, for example, say 10 ksi or say 20 ksi, then you will get, with considering the stress, 2.3 times 20 ksi, which will be then 46 ksi. As you can tell, the 20 ksi steel material will not fail. However, 46 ksi steel will fail by this stress. It will go over the yield point, most steels. So that's about the stress concentration factor. If you have any sharp edge, corner, radius, typically it is never recommended that you have a sharp edge like that. However, for some situation we cannot avoid joint, so we have to have some kind of fillet for that, some radius, some instead of a sharp corner, smoother. The higher the radius we can make, as you can see, the stress concentration factor actually decreases. So if you can see here, 2.5, but if it's almost like same, so basically no sharp edge, then you don't have any stress concentration factor at all. So that's about the stress concentration factor. So you should use this table whenever you have some grooves or holes or any joints to kind of compensate that concentration factor.